Sup, bro? So I wanted to make this video on an issue that you may be facing on your dopamine detox. You don't know how to use social media responsibly on a dopamine detox. So what I mean by responsibly, well, not instant gratification is. So maybe, let's say, for example, YouTube. You watch some gaming content that would be instant gratification and irresponsible. But let's say, for example, you watch my videos, Hamza's videos, First Man, whatever it is, some self-improvement stuff, that is responsibly. So how how should you do it, or should you even do it, or should you just cut it out entirely? Well, I believe that you should cut it out entirely. You should stop watching it entirely, but only when you're at like the ultimate point of the dopamine detox. So maybe, for example, my videos, let's say. If you've been on self-improvement for like a year and dopamine detox for like a year, you're good at all that stuff, then I would say that you should probably um, stop watching my videos. Um, but if, for example, let's say you have only on self-improvement for like 6 months, your dopamine detox and stuff, then you should do this. You should only watch my videos, Hamster's videos, versus my videos, anything self-improvement, only watch those types of videos. Maybe like story videos too from some of these self-improvement guys, because you can use it for like motivation and stuff, but only watch self-improvement content. Don't watch anything other than that on social media like YouTube, whatever, Instagram, whatever it is. I would say probably YouTube because I don't think there's very much on self-improvement wise on like Instagram and stuff. And with Instagram, you can have it just to check your messages or like get someone's Instagram because it's a bit there's a bit less friction in asking for someone's Instagram like contact information than asking for like their phone number or whatever. So maybe you're using Instagram for that reason. Well, you need to be careful to not fall into the trap of actually using Instagram. You need to only use the direct messages, the DMs or whatever it's called. I haven't had Instagram, but only use the message feature with it and not use the social media feature. Maybe like checking some girl's profile picture that you're talking to or whatever, but nothing else. And that's how I think you should use it responsibly. Now, after using it responsibly for a long time, maybe if you've been on self-improvement for like a year and you already know all the stuff on my channel, Hamza's channel, First Man channel, and you feel as though you're not gonna get any value from our content anymore, then you should stop watching all social media. And yeah, that's about it. See ya, bro.